Hey guys, and welcome to my first cosplay makeup tutorial, which is my Jeff the Killer cosplay, and I decided to upload it today on Jeff's birthday because it's Jeff's birthday. So yeah, hope you guys like this video, and all the products I'm using for my Jeff cosplay are gonna be in the description, or at least similar ones. Alright, so first things first, I'm using liquid latex and a sponge obviously, and some cotton to make Jeff's beautiful smile, obviously. And no, this isn't the actual liquid latex bottle, but I broke it, so I used a random bottle, so just ignore that. So you basically just use the liquid latex to draw the smile, and then you put some cotton on it to make it look like an actual wound. I don't know how to explain it better, but yeah. And of course make sure that after you put the cotton on the liquid latex, you add an extra layer of liquid latex to make sure that it sticks and, you know, won't be so cottony. You can't see that properly here because I was looking into the mirror, but basically I'm like forming the cotton and liquid latex to actually look like a cut smile. So just do that in case it doesn't look right yet. Then just repeat the whole process on the other cheek, obviously. Next, grab some white face paint so that you can already start to put it on while the liquid latex is drying. Next thing you want to do is to put on some powder to make sure that the face paint stays on your face and doesn't smear. Next, I'm putting some eyeliner on my eyelids. I know that technically Jeff has burned eyelids, but I'm headcanoning him to be an emo and therefore he needs eyelids to put eyeliner on. But if you want to do original Jeff, then just instead of eyeliner use some eyeshadow and just put it all around your eyes. And speaking of eyeshadow, I actually am using black eyeshadow, but just for drawing eyebrows on and make sure they look male, because Jeff is male, allegedly. Liquid latex should be dried by now, so just use some red pinkish eyeshadow to put it on the liquid latex to make sure that it looks like an infected wound. Done with that, we're gonna do the actual cut, and I'm honestly embarrassed to admit that, but I'm just using some random children's watercolor makeup, whatever it's called, and yeah, I mixed red and black to make it look like blood. So yeah, you can use whatever you have, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Just put on some black wig and you're Jeff. So I hope you guys liked this makeup tutorial. I hope it helped you and you learned something, I guess, even though it might not be the most perfect makeup out there. But yeah, I still hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you thought in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I'm not like other girls. When you wipe my eyebrows, they don't come off. My skin is my actual skin. When you take off my makeup, I'm not a different person.